We have a blank page, and we don't want a blank page. We want something on this page. Let's go to our dashboard. We have a dashboard wrapper. And here, the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the blogs that you have posted. I'm going to put the last 5 in a list. So I have a specific styling that I do with it. So let's just take a look. Let's just go like this. Let's get our header in there. And we're going to call this, what am I doing? We're going to call this dashboard header. And we're just going to do, and we're going to say main heading, your recent blogs. And then down here we're going to put in dashboard body. And we're going to just list these things. So the only thing we really need to do is we just need to echo out what we're going to pass through, which is going to be all the blogs with the last 5 blogs. So that's going to equal, I'll call that dashboard blogs. That's what we're going to call it. So we have to put this together. We have to pass this out. But we're going to be doing this in main header. I think we're done with. Put that away for now. We're going to go to home and dashboard. We already have info, so let's get some blogs out there. Let's say find dash blogs equals new blog, and then it'll be get dash blogs equal find dash blogs where user ID, and we're going to put in the session. And we're going to limit, we're going to order by created at descending, and we're going to limit to 5, but we have to get and then get result array. Okay, let me explain all this. Anyone that's put any queries together in SQL or MySQL, you'll recognize what we're doing here. What we're basically saying is we have this new instance of the blog class, and we're saying that when you look in the table, wherever you see the user ID equal to the session ID in the blogs table, you want to get all those and order them by when they were created. But we want to limit it to only 5. And then we want to get that information and then turn it into an array. If you don't say get result array, you're just going to get a jumble of different functions that you can use. So you say get result array, that's one of the functions, so you can put it all together in an array. And then we're going to make another variable called dashboard blogs. We're going to equal that to blank. So now we need to put this together. So for each, actually no, let's say if dashboard blogs, then we'll do this, else dashboard blogs, we're just going to keep it equal to 0, blank. So we'll go, so we'll say for each dashboard blogs as DB, actually wait, what am I doing? This is get dash blogs. Then we're going to say for each get dash blogs. We want to get the array that we created as GB. Otherwise, dashboard blogs we'll keep equals. I mean, we don't need to do that, but and then data dashboard blogs equals dashboard blogs. Let's go like this. Crap. Dashboard blogs. Remember we called it crap. Equals dashboard blogs. All right. So again, I really don't think we need that, but whatever. We'll just do this, and then we're going to say dashboard blogs. When you do dot equals, that then just kind of adds each in like like if you have like if dashboard blogs equaled 1 and then you did that dot equals and you put 2, then it's just adding 2 to 1. Right now we're just adding strings together. So for each of them we're gonna make a yeah, we'll just make it divs. Make it a whole big string. Class equals I'll just call them log area. Do that. And then make sure you close it. So we're going to create something that posts, that shows the blog posts in a specific manner. So now we have the whole thing that we're going to surround it all by, and then we're going to put in the div class dashboard title letter. I guess we'll call it that, and we'll just say, and we already know what a substring function does. So, right, no, that's fine. And then we'll close that off. When I do it this way, I just kind of make sure that, because I don't have any way of keeping track of all my divs and closures and stuff, so I just kind of, I close them off this way. Like I'll just kind of do it line by line. You can do it any way you want. And then we're going to go, actually, wait, I got to make that in. No, I don't have to do that. We can just go like this. Equals dashboard, letter, title, and we'll just do a substring. And you'll see what we're doing with that. So I thought I heard somebody knocking on the door. All right, dashboard blogs. So now we have that. Now we want to get the actual title out. Title. Now this will be an A reference. And the actual link will be the title. Yeah, that's fine. And we'll go like this, GB ID. And then we'll go, we have to close that off. And then we'll say, no, we can just keep it like that. And then we'll just print out the GB title. And we'll close off the A tag, and then we'll just close off div. And then one more spot would be where we want to put the edit and dashboard links. The edit and the delete. So I think we'll put that in an unordered list. I'm going to go unordered list and li ahref equals fecker public log GB ID and we're going to do the icon. Oh, not done yet. We got to put in the edit, otherwise it doesn't work. And, well, we'll just keep sending us back to the same page, and then we got to put in the icon. So the icon was what? Gotta go back to my notes. I thought I kept this open. What was the icon? It was... That's the result, was the... Oh, so I just sent it out, okay. Well, we're doing it a different way now, so let's go back here. Let's go to the... I just want to get the... I just want to get what the icons look like. All right, so the icons were fast edit and fast fa edit and fast fa trash. Fast fa edit. Like I put this to, like, I just sent it out in the other one, but that was because I was looking at something. You could do it that way too. You can just send it out and then put the thing together on the actual page you want to do it on. I'm just going to do it like this. And this one, actually no wait, the delete, we're going to just do it like this. Sorry. Equals delete blog. And we'll do that with JavaScript. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, I gotta put a little thing there. And then that, and then we're gonna put in the I class equals fa trash. Should be good. I mean, we have to make some blogs first, which we'll get to. And then we'll just close out. We'll close out the unordered list. All right, so let me see. So this is this, and that is that. That is, the letter is going to end. Okay, so I didn't, right, I didn't end the letter. I did, but I didn't do it. I didn't do it for here. All right, so dashboard letter, that's done. Dashboard title, that's done. Dashboard links, that's closed. Okay, so I have too many. Right. I mean, we'll find out. And then after we do that, we just equal that to dashboard blogs. So now, yeah, I mean, that's an extra step. Why don't we just do this? Class equals no data. No, you have no blogs. So this way it'll just print it out, and then like we're basically just printing this out. It's not a big deal. So now if we go like this, you have no. So there you go. Now when we start putting blogs in, we don't want to see that. We want to see what we put in there. We want to see their links. So we got time. All right. So now the dashboard at this point is done. So we want to start posting blogs so we can actually see something going on there. So let's make that page. There was something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I wanted to make the, no, I think we're good. We'll figure it out when we get there. Close that. Let's go to, we'll keep dashboard open for now. We'll go to routes, and we'll go make the blog routes now. So match, we got to match because we're going to do both getting and posting. And we're going to call this blog new. And that'll be blogs new. All right? Okay. So here, and we got to make that view. So let's go to views, new folder, we're going to call it blogs. And we're going to put in a new view there, new.php. And now we're going to go to the controllers. We have to make a new blogs controller. So this is the first time we're actually well, no, we made a users controller, I'm sorry. Making up stuff. Blogs.php. So open up your PHP and do namespace app controllers. And then we're going to use CodeIgniter controller. We're also going to use app models blog and use app models user. We're going to use app models info, and we're also going to use app models comment. So we got to use all these things, and then we're going to form a class known as blogs, which extends base controller, so we can get all the request stuff and everything, base controller. And the first one we're going to make, the first public function, is going to be new. And at this point, that is going to be data. No, we'll call it something else. We'll call it garbage. Title equals new post. Oh yeah, and I want to get the user info stuff. So let's get new blog user equals new user. And then we're going to say get new user, new blog user. And we're going to equal that to new blog user, where users ID equals session ID. And we want to join, because we want all the information, all the juicy details, join info, where users ID equals info user ID, and we're going to get the first. And now we got to put all that in. So garbage title, garbage ID equals the session ID. And garbage pick equals get new user pick, because we're going to get all the information we said first. So when you say first, it knows exactly what to do with that. Garbage initials, and all this is in our header, so that's why we have to pass all this, otherwise it'll freak out. Garbage. I don't need the username. No, I have the ID, I have the pick, I have the initials. Do I need the? No, I think we're good. Well, it'll give us an error message if we're missing something. And then at this point we're just going to do the subheader. We're not going to do, and we're not going to do the left. So we're just going to echo the view templates. Well, I called it subheader, right? And we're going to pass our garbage array. And then we're going to echo view blogs new. That's why I called it subheader, right? Yeah. Okay. So you'll see. So when we go to the new, so now that we have that, we can come back here, we can hit refresh, and then we go to new post. See, I forgot. Default color. I forgot about that. Always forgetting something. Default color. I mean, if you wanted, you could make like some kind of a like a function that just gets all this stuff and then puts it out for you. But, you know, whatever. We'll just put it together. And then there you go. So now that should be logo. Oh, wait, hold on. I mean, I just copied it. What's the problem? Oh, you know, okay, hold on. Now I remember. I moved the logo to the LI class. Oh, darn it. So the LI class. Oh, no, not this. I forgot I changed that. So when you don't change it in both, you get that. So now, there you go. So we have that. What's the problem with that? Man, did I miss something? No, show drop. It's there. Header.js. What's the matter with you? Why is that not working? Wait, if I go back, it works. So what's the problem? I didn't change the name, did I? Show drop, no, it's there. Oh, I didn't put the ID. Header user drop. Okay. And there we go. Okay, so now all we have to do is we have to make the new page, right? So if you know anything about Blogger, then and I could show you. I mean, we're not going to go crazy with, I'm sorry, I'm just posting other videos. Don't mind me. We're not going to go crazy with I was going to make my own text editor, but if you go to new post, right, you'll see, like, we want something like this, where you got this big title thing. We're not going to have that stuff on the right, and we're not going to have that, but we're not going to have any of this. We're just going to have the publish button on the side, and that's it. So let's put that together, and we'll get that out of here. So now, we're going to go new wrapper. We're not going to put the new wrapper in that thing. We're going to make this different. And then we're going to put in our form. And the form, wherever the form encompasses, it doesn't matter what way, like what order you put the buttons and stuff, wherever it encompasses, that's how it's going to be. It's going to just take the information. So we don't have to worry about putting everything inside the form in a specific manner. As long as it's inside the form, it's fine. On submit, event, prevent default. I'll do that because the button is going to be in a weird area. So input, hidden. Token, do that, value equals CSRF hash, and the ID is going to be new blog token. And now we got to do the title, which the ID is going to be new blog title. Make sure the IDs are distinct so you know and the computer knows, just in case, you never know. And I don't want to give that a class. I'm just going to say new blog title, placeholder equals title. And then we're going to put the button. So the button was kind of on the right of this. So we're going to put the button in there. No, I'll put it down there. And, yeah, no, I'll put it next to it. Because we want it kind of next to it. And we'll say class equals new blog button. And we want the, what was that italic? That I forgot what it was. Let me see. And then on click was new blog. And what was that? I gotta look again at my notes. I forgot what the icon was. It was fast chevron right. That's what it was. Fast chevron right. So fast chevron right. Okay. And then underneath all this, we're going to have the error, new blog errors. And then, and we'll just do one of these. And then underneath that, I probably should, nah, we'll do this. Yeah, I probably should put that in a div. Blog title area. Do that. No, yeah. New blog title. Yeah, put that all in a div. Because beneath this, I want to put in another div called new blog body area. And then I want to put the text area in a new blog body and wrapper. Because you saw it was like a form, you know, like a sheet or whatever. And that will be almost like a word processor. Text area ID is new blog body. We'll work with this, and yeah, we'll just leave it at that. And the form drops out, and then, you know, we're ready to go with this. So you're going to see this, and that's good. I actually like that. That's good. We're going to have to style this, but let me see. What are we doing with time? Okay, so we'll stop here, and when I come back, we'll style this. We'll do the new page and everything, and when we do the new, we can do the edit. It'll be just as easy. That's when I finally do a copy paste. The delete will be easy. And we'll have all that done. And then we'll do the view page, which is where we get the comments, and we'll do the user stuff. So that's all coming up. I will see you then.